Good morning, dear students. So today we are going to do the back exercise questions which have to be attempted in the book itself for the chapter The Cactus. Now we are going to start from the fourth question. That is, a new boy comes to your class. He has a cut mark on his face. What will you do? Pick the correct option. You will call him ugly. You will make fun of him. You will tell others not to laugh at him and offer your friendship, or you will not let him play with you. So I hope all of you are going to go with the C part, that is, you will tell others not to laugh at him and offer your friendship. So this is how we should all be. We should make friends with everybody who is studying in your class or who's around you, and you should show sympathy and empathy. Is the best thing that you can do with people around you. Now going to the next page, let us see what is the question there. Reference to context. Read this sentence and answer the questions that follow. I know it must be you who saved their lives. Who said these words and to whom? Gardener said these words to the cactus. Whose lives are being referred to in the given line? The lives of all the beautiful flowers in the garden are being referred to in the above lines. Why did the speaker say this? The speaker said this to acknowledge cactus's effort to save the lives of all the flowers. And the last question is, how did you save their lives? The cactus saved the lives of all the flowers by providing them the water that is stored in the stem of the cactus, or the heart of the cactus. Alright, so this is the end this ends your question and answer part. Now let us come to the grammar section. Capital letters and full stops. In English there are two types of letters, capital letters and small letters. Uses of capital letter. Where do you use a capital letter? To begin a sentence, to write I, to write a proper noun, and use full stop. A full stop is used to end a sentence. Now rewrite the following sentences using capital letters and full stops. So M has to be capital in Martin is an engineer. He ran after his dog. So H will be capital in he and full stop in the end. Tomorrow, T capital, is Saturday, S capital, because days of the week have to start with the capital letter. I met my aunt yesterday. I has to be in capital and full stop has to be used. Now about commas. When there are more than two similar words in a sentence, we use commas to separate them. Example, I have brought a chapati, comma, vegetable, salad and sweets. So not to mix these words, chapati, vegetable, salad, we have to put commas, and you don't have to put a comma before and. We also use a comma to separate a noun used to address a person from the rest of the sentence. Like, Dad, what are you doing? So you are addressing, first of all you are saying dad and then the question. So here you will use comma to separate dad and the instruction. Next question is, insert commas wherever needed and rewrite the given sentences. All of this you have to do in the book itself. He needs some wires, comma, switches and bulbs. She brought some fruits, comma, sweets and cakes for the guest. Ravi, comma, Rahul, comma, Pranshul and Harsh are playing Ludo. Sonal, comma, are you going out to play? So this finishes your question about commas. Now identify the punctuation errors and rewrite the sentences correctly. So here I have done it for you. T capital, the children are playing in the rain, full stop. S capital, Santa is distributing gifts, G has to be small, to the children, full stop. Only, O capital, of only the flowers, F small, were left behind. So the punctuation, full stop, the punctuation marks. Now complete the following sentences by choosing the correct words from the brackets. Everyone was quiet, Q-U-I-E-T, okay, while she was singing. So this is quiet. This quiet is chup rehna. He has to write, W-R-I-T-E, an exam today. So these are homonyms, okay, they sound similar but the context has to be seen, where to put what. They do not have a single cent. CENT. Cent is the currency to waste. Harry is playing the lead role, ROLE, in the play. The boys have won the game. So this we have done. So these are homophones. Homophones are the words which sound similar but they have different meanings. Now again, punctuate the following sentences. Use full stops and question marks wherever necessary. Have you seen Meera? Question mark. Rita was ill. Full stop. I capital. Like reading books. Full stop. So this is how it is. And children, I remember that we have done homophones in the previous class as well. So I think you will be able to do the previous exercise by your own. Please try it and then see the answers. And the last question is, imagine you are Aman or Aarti of class 3rd A. You feel that there should be more plants and trees in your garden, in your school garden. Describe what you feel about it in your own words. You may use hints given below. So using these hints, write something about your feelings, that how plants and trees should be grown in your school garden. Thank you, dear students.